Respect is an emergent byproduct, but at the same time, you can't become a slave to it, otherwise you become like a celebrity, and a celebrity are the most miserable people in the world. Respect is a byproduct of being yourself. In this video, Naval Ravikant will share 5 other genius insights that I wish I knew before I made $5 million, hired 50 people, and got videos like this and this with over 1 million views. Because does it matter? Listen closely. Respect rather than respect of the masses. This is a popularity contest. I'm sure that made more sense in monkey times, but in modern times, I would argue that having the right 10 people listen to you is far more important than having everyone listen to you. Like Naval once said, if you want to make the wrong decision, ask everyone. 2 other truths here are that the more you chase popularity, the more you become a product of other people's opinions. And to go viral, you need the approval of a lot of people to click and watch your video. This creates restrictions on many things, like your topic, title, thumbnail, script, and so on. And the more rules you have, the less enjoyable it becomes to create videos. Talking about thumbnails, you can download my free thumbnail templates pack below. So you can create thumbnails like this, and this in minutes. Again, completely free.
I've noticed with podcasts that people, they have to keep fresh material. It's hard, right? Getting on these things is hard regularly because you need to talk about something. And so podcasts seem to go down a couple of routes. One is they have like a single topic, like the history podcast. I don't have a single topic, nor do I really care to build a brand in any topic. So for me, that doesn't work. Another thing they do is they bring on guests, but a lot of people have said no guests. They just want me to talk, and I'd rather talk directly to you guys than to guests. And then the third problem with a podcast is that people make them about current events. But I don't care about current events. Current events are kind of the least interesting thing going on because it's a very temporal knowledge, and I would rather talk about and learn and discuss things that are permanent.
Now that last one is a Naval's personal opinion. He prefers timeless over trendy temporary events. But I do see a big truth here for any creator, which is this. The more your videos and your channel are around a specific topic and niche, the more you trade learning what you are curious about for teaching what you are constrained about. And Naval simply is in a financial position where he prioritizes his curiosity over money. But that doesn't mean that you have to sacrifice making money by having less of a niche. In fact, by not niching yourself in this cage, this rule-bound content wheel, you could make more money and even faster. Listen closely.
Be more selfish. Make sure you really enjoy your work. Make sure you really are only working with the people that you really like working with. Make sure you are only have the guests on that you're proud to have on, that you genuinely want to have conversations with, because I think the value, you've already built something of incredible value and it's going to continue compounding. So the value now is about the longevity. How long can you keep it going? Whether you go to episode 1,000 or 2,000 or 5,000 matters more than, you don't want to be in a grinder mode. If you're just grinding, you're going to burn out. And the day you burn out, this thing is over.
The more you create videos that you are selfishly interested in, the more you will enjoy it and the more you will create. But what about that money aspect? What if one day you want to make videos about philosophy, but the next day your mind is curious about AI, and the day after you're looking up how to improve your health and sleep and create a video about the truths you find there? Well, in this video, Naval shares 11 genius insights that helped me. Watch it here or save it to your watch later, or not. Talk soon.